Today we're doing Snowstorm by Jay Sankey, alright? So, we started it out and we just pick any card we want by stopping on it. So we got your card right here. You have it? Right here. Did you get it? Alright. So it's there. And this is what happens. We get one of my markers over here. Marker. And we flip these cards over. And I draw. I'm going to draw. Snow globe, alright? God, it stinks. I hate Sharpies. But we have right there, snow globe, with the snowflakes at the bottom. Okay, whatever. Anyway, we flip it across. And look what happened. We write, let's write 23 across the back of it. Favorite number. Whatever. So it's there and you'd be able to recognize that card among all the other ones, right? Because there's nothing on the backs. Because look. Doesn't seem to be anything on the backs. Even though that wasn't a great show, it just doesn't seem like it. So we flip it back across, alright? And look, this is what happens. We pick it up and just shake it and look. The sprinkles are all over the place now. Do you see it? Everywhere. And look, with just one more shake, the sprinkles become the card. And there's 23 on the back of that card. 23, Ace of Hearts. And that was Snowstorm.